In this video we will learn how to install Ollama on Windows. So Ollama allows you to install LLMs and AI models locally. So let us see how to install it. Go to the web browser. On Google type Ollama and press enter. Here is the official website ollama.com. Click on it. After clicking here you can see the download button is visible. Click on it. We want for Windows, so it automatically selected Windows. It requires Windows 10 or later. That means you can install it on Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. Click on download for Windows. So we are downloading it. Let's wait. It's 1 GB. We have downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. Install. We have installed Ollama. From here you can select the model which you want to use. Okay. These are the available models because these are cloud-based models. When you click the following, it will download it first. Okay. Or you can also use command prompt. Go to start, type CMD, click open. Now when you will type Ollama here, it will show you the following. That means we successfully installed it. So these are the commands to run a model. You can use the command Ollama space run space the model name. Okay. You would be wondering from where I'll get the commands. So for that, go to the same link, click models. Okay, from here select the latest models, that is newest. So let's say you want to install the following model, any of them. Let's say Granite 4 or Quen 3. Click on it and the command will be visible. You need to just use the same Ollama space run command to install your models. To learn how to download and install LLMs and AI models, refer to our free Ollama tutorial. The link is in the video description. We have also added the study material on our website studiopedia.com. Do refer both the links. Thank you for watching.